Tonight there's currently a vacancy in goal with Andre Blake not part of this squad, their regular number one because of injury. Davis got the nod in midweek and did enough to keep his place today. Both his backups on the bench are yet to win a senior international cap. It's a position in which they are currently lacking any real experience. Well, this has been pretty busy early on. Back, linking with Moses Simon. Got the ball as well for Teller. Didn't quite have the time to take the touch. It's just settling down again a little bit, isn't it, after the flurry of activity, the trading of goals in this final. Scored for the first time for Nigeria since the friendly against Mozambique. October of 2023. Nothing came from the corner. Wonderful moment for him on debut. It's a good ball for Ismaila to provide the cross, had to be dealt with. Because Dessers was lurking in the middle. It was Isaac Hayden who got to it ahead of him. Sadiq Ismaila trying to provide the services. One of the domestic-based Nigerian players who's just won a caught us as he attempted to complete the clearance, and he has got the free kick. We'll be looking for a new club in the summer, Mason Holgate, on the following night, but they're in the ascendancy here just at the moment. Looking to edge ahead for the third time in the game. Frank Onyeka will have to settle for the corner. It was Isaac Hayden that got back to him.